Today, we're gonna be checking out this Red Rock Titus grill with an unpainted black finish for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JLs without the trail cam. Now, if you're looking to aggressively transform the front end appearance of your Jeep while maintaining a rugged, off-road ready aesthetic, this grill is gonna be an excellent option. This is gonna be perfect for Wrangler owners who want a bold and unique look while keeping durability and functionality in mind. This Titus grill is designed to give your Jeep a more aggressive and commanding presence out there on the road or the trails. Its sharp, angular styling sets it apart from that factory grill, delivering a customized look that enhances your Wrangler's overall appearance. The open design and large air inlets help maintain proper airflow to the engine bay, ensuring optimal cooling performance even under tough driving conditions or all day going hard out there on the trails. Since the grill comes unpainted, it offers full customization potential, allowing you to paint it to match the contrast of your Jeep's exterior for a truly unique finish. Whether you want it matte black just the way it comes, body matched, or a custom color setup with a nice accent color, this grill provides the flexibility to achieve your desired look on your Jeep. This is going to be constructed from durable ABS plastic, and the Titus grill is lightweight yet strong enough to withstand the demands both on and off the road driving. The material is impact resistant and designed to hold up against debris, rocks, and the elements, ensuring long-lasting durability. This smooth, unpainted finish is ready for primer and paint, making it easy to customize without any extra prep work. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that low 200s price range, which is a very nice price point and very affordable for entirely changing up the front end of your Jeep. Installation on this is very straightforward, so we're rating this one only a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 1 hour of your time right there at home in the driveway. The grill is designed to be a direct replacement for a factory unit for a hassle-free bolt-on installation. To get this job done, the tools that you're gonna need are gonna be a screwdriver set with a Phillips head specifically, a socket set including a 9/32 socket, and a ratchet with a small extension. Now let's see exactly how this process goes with an install video from one of our extreme terrain customers.
Okay, today we're going to install a Red Rock Titus grill on a 2022 Jeep JL. Okay, the next thing is what we're going to do is we have to remove these poppers, of which there are 6 across the front of the vehicle. So we're going to use the plug puller tool to remove the caps, the 6 caps. These pop out fairly easily. We need to make sure we keep these for when we reinstall the new grill. So we're using the same tool to remove these. There is one at either side of the hood. Just takes a little bit of prising. And what we found was there's a little bit of sticky to attach them down to the main body. Next, we're going to remove the clip bodies, of which there are several across the front of the vehicle. Okay, next we should pull the grill away. It should be loose. There are 8 vampire clips at the lower part, so we need to make sure that each of those are removed. As you can see here, there we are, to make sure they're all removed, that there are none left in place on the vehicle. So next we're taking the lip piece and we're going to align using these small clips with the guide holes to help position. It's a smaller piece, not the grill, mounts under the primary grill. So we're using a 9/32 socket set, and we're attaching using the 8 provided screws and nuts to tighten down the two pieces together. There are 8 of these across the front of the vehicle, and they're easily identified because they've got the recess. So next we're going to attach the Viper clips. There are 6 that were provided in the installation kit, and these simply push on. So as you can see now, we've got the new 6 Viper clips installed. Next we're going to offer the new grille up, and what we're doing is we are aligning the Viper clips, and as you can see, a little bit of gentle pressure it's important to make sure that they align with the slots in the body of the vehicle. Okay, now we're starting to reassemble, and we're reinstalling the parts of the weather trim. These just push in to the top piece. As you can see, they go into the existing holes there. You need to apply a little bit of pressure for them to sit down. So now we're going to reinstall the 6 plastic returning pins, and as you can see, there's an alignment on them, so make sure the alignment is correct. And these simply just push in, of which there are 6 across the front of the vehicle and around the sides. So now we're moving the weather strip from the existing grille, and as you can see, we're using the little panel tool to pull these out, and we're going to keep these because we're going to use these when we do the installation on the new grille. So we're now ready to do the final step, which is to install the weather shield. Important to note, little holes go on the inside of the vehicle, so we just carefully align the poppers, and these simply press back in to the existing holes.
Alright, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the Red Rock Titus grille with an unpainted finish for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JLs without the trail fan. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.